Okay, hello everyone. My name is Eric Ilote, a CIS 610 student. So my project is about car price prediction and visualization. The objective of the project is to create a model that will be able to predict car prices. The importance of this project is that companies that are seeking to enter the US market, they'll be able to know factors or variables that are affecting car prices in the United States. And to solve the problem, I'll use a regression model, multiple regression model, and this model will use car prices as the dependent variable, and the independent variable will include variables such as engine size, horsepower, compression ratio, number of car doors, among others. Therefore, using the regression model, we'll be able to predict car prices. And in future, if there is any other data set that has similar variables, we can feed it in the model and it will be able to predict the car prices. Finally, I will be using Tableau to visualize the car prices. Perhaps use different graphs to show how these factors, different variables, are affecting car prices. Thank you.